Um, Sorry, hindi po talaga kami expecting. I'll be very, very honest. Coming into this festival, I have lost my faith to actually be given a chance to do a film again. I thought this industry wasn't meant for girls like me. And then I'm really, really grateful for a Cinesilip for actually giving us the opportunity to bring this story to life. I share this award to everybody who had believed in what we have, what we can bring to the table, regardless of so many difficulties. My God, magkukwento lang po kami, 4 na sinihan, 1 linggo, 2 milyong piso. Pero bawal daw kaming ipalabas. I share this award to everybody who have believed in what Dreamboy can bring to life. To Tony Labrusca for believing in what we can do. Stoy halos libre na, siya na gumastos ng transformation niya, ganyan. And thank you for saying yes. Kahit na hindi ka pa nakakabasa ng script. To EJ, I share this award with you kasi since the first draft, alam mo na yung script kung saan siya pupunta. To Megs, we award ka na. To Arnex, our editor, to Malay, to Chippy, to Silas, to Iman, to Tonetta Daone for actually being one of my, hindi niya kino-consider na mentor ko siya, but I learned so much from you. I share this award to Moira Lang as well. Thank you for inspiring that trans people like us can actually take the screen and write our own story. Siguro, sorry, ang haba talaga, pero hindi kami token. Hindi po kami token. At may this award remind everybody that sa isang sining malaya, ang mga kwentong tulad ni Dreamboy at na lahat ng ginawa ng mga direktor sa kauna-unahang sinisilip, hindi lang dapat ito sinisilip, dapat pinapanalo natin. Thank you po.